Blockchain technology. The topic that are covered here is blockchain technology, cryptography, distributed ledger, hyperledger, blockchain security, architecture, the work process, and the application. The blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked using a cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and a transition data, so that the hacking process may be very difficult when we just take this particular technology. Cryptography. The word cryptography consists of two terms, crypto and graphy. Crypto means secret or hidden, graphy means writing. If a person wants to send a message to another, he must ensure that his message is written in such a way that only the receiver can read it. This can be done with the help of cryptography. There are two terms, encryption and decryption. If A wants to send a message, he should encrypt his message, and thus we will get something new called a cipher. This cipher is an unreadable message. This cipher will be gone to the receiver. The receiver can read the cipher only if he decrypts it. This can be done with the help of a key. Both the sender and the receiver must have a key so that the encryption and decryption process can be done. Distributed ledger. For example, if you have an account in a particular branch of a bank, the bank will share the information to all the respective branches so that the information is not dependent upon in one branch, so that you can just get your information in whichever branch you may go of that particular bank. This is the motto of this distributed ledger. There is no central administrator or centralized data storage. Hyperledger. It is an umbrella project of open source blockchain and related tools started in December 2015 by the Linux Foundation and has received contribution for IBM, Intel and SAP Ariba to support the collaborative development of blockchain-based distribution ledgers. The objective of the project is to advance cross-industry collaboration by developing blockchain and distributed ledger with a particular focus on improving the performance and reliability of the system. Blockchain security. Within a permission, blockchain transactions are validated and processed by the participant that are already recognized by the ledger. By building security into your blockchain technology from the start through strong authentication and cryptography key vaulting, SafeNet's hardware security module HSMS and authentication service can help you secure blockchain in the following three areas. Provide strong identities and authentication. Blockchain architecture. There are three types of blockchain architecture: public, private, and consortium. Public blockchain architecture means the data can be accessed by anyone who is willing to participate. Example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some of the blockchain systems that are public. Private. Private system is controlled only by the user from a specific organization or authorized users who have an invitation for participation. Consortium. This blockchain structure consists of a few organizations. In a consortium, procedures are set up and controlled by a preliminary assigned users. The core component of the blockchain architecture consists are node, transition, and block. Node. The term node is the users or the computer that are involved in the blockchain architecture. Each and every person or the computer who's been involved in the blockchain architecture has an independent copy of the whole blockchain ledger. Transition. Smallest building block of a blockchain system. These transitions consist of the record, information, etc. These transitions serves as the purpose of the blockchain. The term block is a data structure that is used for keeping a set of transitions which is distributed to all nodes in the network. There are 6 steps that explain how blockchain works. The first step, a transition is requested. The second step, a block that represents the transition is created. Third step, the block is sent to every node in the network. Fourth step, node validates the transaction. Fifth step, node receives a reward for the proof of the work. Sixth step, the block is added to the existing blockchain. Sixth step, the transition is complete. This is how the blockchain works. Application of blockchain technology, payment and money transfers, smart contract, notary, distributed cloud storage, digital identity, supply chain communication and proof of provenance, gift card and loyalty program, networking and IoT. IoT means Internet of Things.